Got a pretty sunset out there. A few more miles on this trail and I'll be set up for the night. A little windy this morning with limited visibility. Gonna be a tough one. Hands are frozen. Well, this is a giant pine cone. Wow. Beautiful morning, just went over Mount Pleasant. And now to drop about 4,500 feet into Belden. Running downhill through the sea of green. So nice to have no more white snow. More snowless walking on the way into Chester today. Beautiful day, lots of downhill, which only means uphill is to come later. Oh, so not ready for this hill. Oh, just midday chilling, 4 beers in the creek. These should get me up the trail. A beer a mile is kind of my mentality on this trail. Long way to go. It's a hot one. Just hit the PCT midpoint, which means I'm not even 20% done. Fun times ahead. Bear staring right at us. You always got to be bear aware in these situations. My first bear on this trail. Hat Creek rim hiking. It's pretty awesome out here. This is why you hike. For what feels like the first time in, I don't know, forever, it's raining. Some rain coming in. Clouds. Almost a Bernie clear trail, but could get a little wet out here. Not much going on here. Bernie, California. Wow, I haven't seen a wind farm in maybe like 1,000 miles. Times are changing up here near Oregon. A sudden wave of hunger just struck, and I think I ate all my snacks. The day after rain, we have clear skies. I had 3 granola bars, 2 things of goldfish. Not a cloud up there. Crazy how the weather changes so quick. Whole box of Cheez-Its, 3 Fiber One bars, and 2 wraps. So the good thing is my pack is really light. The bad thing is I think all my snacks are gone. Kind of in a food coma right now. I'm really tired. Kind of just want a nap. But 6 miles of uphill. So excited. Just went skinny dipping in a creek and was sitting in the water naked, and a family full of young children walked by. So they'll probably be getting an early anatomy lesson. But the water was pretty cold. Just about 10 miles to go to cross I-5 and then Castle Crags over there tomorrow. Fun time.